Have you ever uploaded a short, watched it climb to 1,000 views, and then suddenly it just froze? And no matter how many new shorts you post, the same thing happens. Stuck, and stuck again. Frustrating, right? That, my friend, is what creators call the zero feed problem. But here's the good news. You're not doomed. In fact, most of the time, it's not YouTube that's broken. It's just a handful of mistakes that creators keep making without realizing. And today, I'm going to break those down for you step by step, along with the exact solutions that will help you finally escape this trap. So, if your shorts are freezing at 1,000 views, or worse, not moving at all, stick with me until the very end, because one of these mistakes is probably the reason. Quick question. Do you actually want me to give you the shortcuts to grow your channel faster? Then make sure you subscribe right now, because in my next video, I'm revealing a free YouTube automation course to help you explode your growth. Mistake 1. Wrong ratio. Let me ask you, do your shorts actually look like shorts? It sounds silly, but so many creators get this wrong. The proper shorts format is 9:16. If you upload with the wrong ratio, or even leave parts of the frame empty with black bars, YouTube might not treat it as a short at all. And if it doesn't count as a short, the algorithm won't push it to the shorts feed. So here's the fix. Always edit in 9:16, and make sure your frame is completely filled. No empty borders, no leftover space. Mistake 2. Deleting videos. Be honest, have you ever deleted a video because it didn't perform well? Almost every new creator does this. But here's the harsh truth. Deleting videos tells YouTube that your channel is unstable. And when the algorithm doesn't trust you, it stops pushing your content. The solution? Never delete. Even if a video flops, leave it. Sometimes, weeks later, it might still catch traction. But if you delete, you reset the trust you've been building. Mistake 3. Spammy titles and empty descriptions. Now, let's talk titles. Do you cram too many hashtags into them, hoping it will boost reach? That's actually a red flag for YouTube. Your title should be clean, clear, and only include 1 or 2 relevant hashtags at most. And don't skip the description. Leaving it blank is like leaving free real estate empty. Use it to explain what your video is about. Sprinkle in some keywords naturally, and even link playlists or socials if you want. This doesn't just help YouTube understand your content. It also gives viewers more reason to engage. Pause for a moment and subscribe now, because the next video is literally a free crash course on YouTube channel automation. Mistake 4. Mixing categories. Here's a big one. One day, you post a funny skit. The next day, gaming. Then facts. Then maybe a vlog. Sounds creative, right? But to YouTube, it's confusing. The algorithm can't figure out who your audience is. And when your shorts land in front of the wrong people, they don't engage. That lack of response tells YouTube to stop pushing. The fix. Stick to one niche, at least until your channel is established. Give YouTube consistent data so it knows exactly who to recommend your videos to. Mistake 5. Fake boosts and wrong audience. Some people try shortcuts, like using VPNs to watch their own videos, or begging friends and family to subscribe. But here's the issue. Those aren't your real audience. If your mom subscribes but only watches cooking and you upload gaming, she'll ignore your content. And that tells YouTube your videos aren't worth watching. Fake views and irrelevant subs hurt more than they help. Instead, focus on making shorts that viewers choose to watch. That's the only signal that matters. Bonus mistake. Inconsistency. This one stings the most. YouTube wants to see if you're serious or if you're going to quit after a few uploads. Posting one short today and then disappearing for a week sends the wrong message. The solution is simple. Post consistently. A good rhythm for new creators is one short every 48 hours. Keep this up for a month. And if after 10 shorts you still get 0 traction, that's okay. Start fresh with a new channel, but this time, avoid the mistakes we just covered. And remember, YouTube tests you before rewarding you. If you hit 200 subscribers in your first month, that's a strong signal. At that point, YouTube may push your shorts to hundreds of thousands of people. The more videos you post, the more chances you give yourself. If even half of your shorts break 100,000 views, YouTube lifts your entire channel to the next level. So, the question is, are you willing to stay consistent and play the long game? Because YouTube doesn't just want shorts creators, it wants reliable ones. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these mistakes have you made before? Or do you have another question about shorts growth? Drop it in the comments. I'll try to answer as many as possible. Before we wrap up, do you actually want me to walk you through building your channel step by step? Hit subscribe today, because I'll be showing you the advanced settings that turned my shorts into six-figure views. Don't miss this. Tap the playlist on screen right now and unlock my complete YouTube automation course, 100% free. Start Module 1 today and see how fast your channel can grow.